My name is Mamsi Akongeshangadala. Welcome to my channel. So today we are starting a new vlog. We are traveling to Eastern Cape. I'm going home to see my family, especially my little baby boy. I'm traveling with my little baby girl. So yes guys, I don't know what will be happening at home, but I will be home for like a month or two, I don't know, but I'll be home for very long. And yeah, I can't promise anything, but we are starting it from here. I don't know what I will be coming across with when I get home. Okay, baby girl, yeah. Then yeah, we will see, but I guess I will see you guys when I get home. I don't know how my baby is gonna react when he's seeing me for the first time this year. Yo, I miss him, Shem. I miss my mom, I miss my dad, I miss my nephews, I miss everyone. Guys, so ngizohlala ekhaya probably for 3 weeks, and then I'm in the Mzinam. I don't know for how long, because there's a project that we are busy with there. So I'll be home until they complete what we are doing. And then yeah, let me end it here. Now we are rushing to the airport. My flight is at 11. Now it's 8:20. So I'm gonna request an Uber from here and get to the airport. And yeah, I don't know, but I'll see you guys later. And those who decided to stay, thank you guys, and welcome back. Kuzoba mnandi. So ndizonika ke ngo vlog yasezilalini. Kuzoba mnandi ezilalini, kuzoba mnandi. Bye. Guys, Sisemasimini ke sana. Yo, phekela abantu abavunayo. Sise ukutya.